This is an Ebony wooden field camera. In order to open the camera, you release the latch on the front, unlock the two knobs on the struts on the back, and raise the back into a vertical position. There are indents in the struts to show when the back is at a 90-degree angle. Lock both knobs to hold up the back of the camera. In order to raise the front of the camera, first you loosen all the focus locking knobs, which when you're using the camera are on your left. Then you bring the front of the camera forwards with a focusing knob. Push the front standard, which is the part that holds the lens, to the very top of the struts and raise to a vertical position. There are also locking knobs and indents to show the correct position for the front. These two knobs are for the tilt on the front. If you loosen them, you may tilt the front forwards or backwards. These two knobs are for the rise and fall on the front of the camera, which works this way. When setting up, there are two dots over here, one on the strut, one on the camera. Put those next to each other and it'll be in a central position. Then lock the two knobs that hold the front in place. You should also lock the tilt knobs. In order to mount the lens on the camera, you put the front bottom in the front of the camera and lock the top part, the lens board lock, which is right over here. Make sure you take off the lens caps. Now, to focus the camera, open the lens to the very widest aperture, which on most lenses is f5.6, and raise the lever that opens the shutter. Remove the protective cover on the ground glass. Now, by looking through the camera, the glass in the back, and turning the focusing knobs, you can achieve the correct focus. The most forward knob is for using the camera in this range. The middle knob is for using the camera in this range, which is wide angle. And the rear knob is for extending the bellows very far towards the back. The bellows can also be extended towards the front, achieving a very long 20-inch bellows extension.